I'm going to show you how to make a purple rain. There are many versions of this drink, and I'm going to show you one of them. I'm going to start off with my ice, which I'll pour into a glass, just like so. All right, next up, I'm going to add gin, and I'm going to do about 1.5 ounces of gin. That's 1.5. Fabulous. And then I'm going to add cranberry juice. And I'm going to fill the glass with cranberry juice. I don't know about you, but Purple Rain is one of my favorite movies. I'm then going to add a splash of blue curacao, just like that. And that's going to make it purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Going to add a little bit of sour mix. Just a splash. Mix it a little better. It's looking pretty purple. And then I'm going to add just a splash of soda. And I'm going to very gently mix that a little bit more. I'm going to pour that into a highball glass. And that is a beautiful pale purple. Pop in Purple Rain and drink one of these, and you will have a wonderful evening. Cheers.